Hi, I'm Tricia Thomas, CEO here at Bay East. The start of this year didn't bring just rainstorms. It also brought a storm of antitrust class action lawsuits. Of the 20+ lawsuits that have been filed so far, several of them have been filed here in California. All of them touch on the MLS cooperative compensation rule. This requires that the seller's broker and agent disclose the amount of commission they are offering to the buyer's broker. You may be curious about how the litigation impacts your business. Bay East has resources to help make sense of all of this for you. First, to help you understand the current legal landscape, Bay East is holding a virtual town hall with attorney Tom Jacobson. It's on Thursday, February the 22nd, from 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. During the town hall, Tom will cover the basics of the lawsuit, the specific allegations, especially those in California, and the potential impact that they will have on your business. While the town hall will focus on the legal issues, it is not intended to provide legal or transactional advice. You can register for this virtual event at www.bayeast.org. The town hall will not be recorded due to the legal nature, so please register as soon as possible and participate. Again, that's February 22nd from 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. But wait, there's more. During March, we are offering several programs to help you communicate your value to your buyers and sellers. You can check the Bay East calendar, which you can find at www.bayeast.org. Click on the Events tab for more information. And we've created a microsite within bayeast.org. On there, you can find resources that will help you work with buyers and sellers, will help you communicate your value, and help you market all the great things that you do. If you want additional litigation updates and legal resources, you can also find them here. Go to www.bayeast.org, click on the Resources tab on the left-hand side of the website, and then scroll down to Working with Buyers and Sellers. We understand there is a lot going on right now, and we are here to help you. If there's anything that we can do, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can find me at Tricia T, that's TRICIAT, at bayeast.org.